Okay, here we go. Now we're on the elevator at the Hampton Inn.
It's so sweet.
Door closed.
And here we go.
Yes.
Okay.
Here we are at 3.
Oh, going down.
Okay. Let's go back down to 1.
Oh my God.
It's kind of a small elevator. I don't know elevators well enough to know what this one is. Now we're at number 2. Okay. And then get back in and no, we're gonna go down to 1. What? Get your video. Okay. Now we're back down to 1. That's it. And that's that, bud. Let's go.